Welcome to part 3 of this audiobook on a strategic approach to artificial intelligence for public institutions in Tanzania. I am Mr. John Mwingira, your presenter. The strategy development process can be organized into 7 practical steps. Step 1. Get set up, appoint an executive sponsor, establish a cross-functional team and agree on responsibilities and timelines. Step 2. Map the landscape, assess current artificial intelligence use, staff, skills, data, systems, infrastructure, policies, stakeholders, opportunities and risks. Step 3. Set direction, define the institutional vision, objectives and principles and connect them to the institution's mandate, strategic plan and vision 2050. Step 4. Define focus, identify strategic pillars and prioritize use cases using public value, feasibility, data readiness and risk. Step 5. Shape actions, develop governance policies, data and security controls, capacity building programs, procurement requirements and partnership arrangements. Step 6. Prepare for implementation, define resources, baselines, indicators, pilot protocols, communication, risk management and reporting. Step 7. Launch and adjust, begin with controlled pilots, learn from evidence and revise the approach as technology, regulation and institutional needs change. Implementation should use stage gates rather than a big bang rollout. During the first 30 days, mobilize leadership, constitute the steering committee, establish a coordinating secretariat and issue interim acceptable use rules. Between days 31 and 90, complete the readiness assessment, data and systems inventory, policy gap analysis, use case prioritization, draft governance framework and pilot designs. Between months 4 and 9, implement 2 or 3 controlled pilots, train users, test safeguards, compare performance with the baseline and document lessons. Between months 10 and 18, integrate and scale only solutions that have demonstrated value, acceptable risk and sustainable cost. Between months 19 and 36, embed artificial intelligence governance into enterprise architecture, quality management, institutional risk, procurement, budgeting, internal audit and monitoring and evaluation. Performance measurement must focus on public value and risk, not merely activity. Institutions should measure processing time, cost, backlog, service, accessibility, errors, rework, staff competency, user trust, incidents, and verified benefits. Every pilot needs a baseline and target. If speed improves but quality declines, the pilot has not succeeded. A public institution can establish the strategic foundation within 90 days. By day 10, appoint the sponsor, steering committee, and secretariat. By day 20, issue interim acceptable use and data handling rules. By day 35, map current use, data, systems, skills, and policies. By day 50, prioritize proposed uses according to public value, feasibility, and risk. By day 65, complete the policy gap analysis and draft the responsible artificial intelligence framework. By day 75, design 2 or 3 pilots with baseline safeguards and budgets. By day 85, consult key stakeholders and refine the proposal. By day 90, submit the complete strategy package to management. The strategic question is not simply, where can we use artificial intelligence? The better question is, where can artificial intelligence create public value? And how will we govern the risk? Start small, govern well, measure honestly, scale what works. When public institutions follow this approach, artificial intelligence can become a practical tool for stronger institutions, better public services, and the national aspirations of Vision 2050. This audiobook presentation was delivered by Mr. John Mwingira. Thank you for listening.